Okay, first grade. I'm going to read my second favorite book from Dr. Seuss. Oh, the Thinks You Can Think. And this is the front cover. And on the back, this one does have some writing. It talks about how he launched his career for Dr. Seuss in 1957. And there's some beginner books. And then he lists the beginner books back here. That's what some books have on the back cover. Then, this actually has a little bit of a dedication page about Oh, the Things You Can Think and Dr. Seuss. And here's the title page inside. Kind of funny, these guys with the hat they're sharing. And then we have the copyright page. And this book was originally published in 1975. So let's read Oh, the Things You Can Think. You can think up some birds. That's what you can do. You can think about yellow or think about blue. You can think about red. You can think about pink. You can think of a horse. Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think up, if only you try. If you try, you can think up a guff going by. This must be the guff. I don't know, maybe this is the guff. Which one do you think's the guff? I have no clue, my friends. And you don't have to stop. You can think about schlop. Schlop, schlop, beautiful schlop with a cherry on top. Schlop, that must be schlop. Looks like ice cream to Miss Page. Schlop, schlop, the beautiful schlop. You can think about gloves. You can think about snubs. You can think a long time about snubs in their gloves. Now, they're doing some rhyming here. Snubs and gloves. But snubs is not a real word. That's one of those pretend words we learn. You can think about Kitty O'Sullivan Cross as she in her big balloon swimming pool over her house. Not so sure Miss Page would like a swimming pool over her house, especially a balloon. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this on video, my friends, I'm showing this to our friends who are in class with me. Think of black water. Think up a white sky. Think up a boat. Think of logs blowing by. You can think about night. A night in Noop. The birds are asleep and the 3 moons are up. I wonder if those ones are guards. You know, they're making sure everybody's safe. The Nanoops. The birds are asleep. You can think about day. A day and a dake. The water is blue. The birds are awake. My friends are saying this is a lot of rhyming words. And you're right, they do rhyme. Think and wonder. Wonder and think. How much water can 55 elephants drink? You can wonder, how long is the tail of a zonk? I've never thought of a zonk in its tail. There are so many thinks that a thinker can think. Would you dare yank a tooth off the rinker-rink think? Maybe. Who knows? Depends. Might be my mood that day. And what would you do if you met a jaboo? This is jaboo right here. What would you do? All the things you can think. Think of Peter the postman, who crosses the ice once every day And on Saturdays, twice. Those walruses do not look happy to see the postman. Think! You can think anything that you wish. Think of a race on a horse on a ball with a fish. Now, I know for sure Miss Page would never be able to do that because I'd fall off. I couldn't keep my balance. And see, I'd be this guy right back here. See him? That's Miss Page. Need to put that guy in pink and not green. Think of light. Think of bright. Think of stairs in the night. Think! Think of a ship. Think up a long trip. Go visit the Vipper of Vips. Well, I don't know. I kind of like that Vipper of Vips with that pink hair. Think it looks like me? Maybe? What do you think? And left. Think of the left. And think of the beft. Why is that beft always go to the left? And why is it so many things go to the right? You can think about that until Saturday night. Think left and think right. And think low, think high. Oh, the things you can think if only you try. My friends, the reason I love this book as my second favorite book is it tells you you need to be thinking. You can think anything you want. You can be a little goofy in your thinking. You can be very serious in your thinking. But it's telling you, think about what you're doing and think about things around you. Okay? Thank you, my friends, for listening to me read my second favorite book from Dr. Seuss. And I've been taking a vote. And it appears the unofficial results are that I will be trying to read at least one of my favorite books a week to you. I'll read that big book like normal, but I'll also read one of my favorite books to you. Goodbye for now, my friends.